welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Let's discuss the health benefits of onions. Today, we are diving into a vegetable that is an unsung hero in the culinary world, the mighty onion. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible health benefits of this humble ingredient. We'll cover some fascinating scientific data, so make sure you stick around. All right, let's get to it. Onions, scientifically known as Allium cepa, have been used for thousands of years in cooking and traditional medicine. But did you know they are packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health? First up, onions are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, and manganese. Not only do these vitamins support your immune function, but they also keep your skin healthy and glowing. Yes, onions are a beauty enhancer. What makes onions truly remarkable are their antioxidants. Who knew eating onions is a beauty enhancer? Onions contain over 25 different types of flavonoid antioxidants, including quercetin. According to recent studies, quercetin has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce blood pressure and heart disease risk. Amazing, right? But wait, there's more. Onions are also great for gut health. They are high in fiber, particularly inulin, which acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria in your gut, thus improving digestion and overall gut health. Who knew gut health could start in the kitchen? If you're concerned about cancer, listen up. Research has shown that compounds in onions called organosulfur compounds may have cancer-fighting properties. This is amazing information, so listen up. Studies suggest that these compounds can slow the growth of cancer cells and even kill them. All right, onion skeptics, let's talk about eye health. Onions are rich in a type of antioxidant called selenium, which contributes to healthy eyes and eyesight. Incorporating onions into your diet may reduce the risk of developing cataracts as you age. Plus, you can't ignore the common cold benefits. Remember when your grandma told you to have onions for a cold? Turns out she was onto something. Onions have antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help you recover from colds and other respiratory conditions faster. Let's not forget their anti-diabetic effects. Onions have been found to have blood sugar lowering properties. Studies show that sulfur compounds in onions can increase insulin levels, assisting in diabetes management. And for those of you trying to lose weight, onions are low in calories, yet pack a punch in flavor, making them a great addition to weight loss-friendly meals. Plus, their fiber content helps you feel full longer. Finally, using onions in your meals can reduce the need for excess salt and sugar, making your diet healthier overall. And that completes our journey through the world of onions. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.